I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. So I have linked up with HerGivenHair to bring you girls this beautiful natural looking wig. So as you girls may or may not know, HerGivenHair is always going to deliver natural hair texture. Honestly, there is no other company that I have worked with, and I've worked with a lot, that actually delivers texture of African American hair to the T. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, girl, so now it is time to put this wig on, baby. This is a lot of hair, but we're going to make it do what it do. So this kinky texture wig is so beautiful, y'all. It comes with a very small amount of hairs that has been plucked, but honestly it's not really bad. Like, I thought I was going to need to go in and pluck at some point, but honestly I didn't even have to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out some of the hairs around the hairline and start to secure this beautiful wig down.
All the niggas brown, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, who am I? All the niggas brown me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one really is a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just
Okay, girls, so I have secured the wig down, and now I am about to go ahead and cut the lace, of course going in a zigzag motion. And again, even though this wig is not like super plucked, it still looks really good. I don't know what kind of lace this is. Is it like HD or transparent? I don't have the description bar in front of me, but whatever it is, it's super nice. So yeah, girl, let me give you girls a quick rundown on HerGivenHair. In case you are new to the brand, this brand has been around for a really long time, you guys. This brand honestly is one of the brands that I say mimics African American hair, natural hair, to the T. From its texture to its curl pattern to the thickness of the hair, I can honestly say HerGivenHair knows what they're doing when it comes to mimicking African American natural hair, whether that's the curly texture or like a blown out texture. I do want to let you girls know the difference between HerGivenHair, because honestly, every company wig motto is, their wig looks super natural. It mimics, your natural hair, blah, blah, blah. But one thing about HerGivenHair is they offer top quality 100% virgin Remy hair, which has been unprocessed, whereas other brands typically process their hair in some sort of way to get the state of the hair that you see. Um, And when it comes to applying the hairs to the actual wig or the lace itself, they use a single and double knot technique. Their lace is a Swiss transparent lace. And when they apply the hairs onto this lace, they use like a single and double knot technique. And with this type of technique, it takes longer for the wig to be produced. Typically anywhere from 20 to 40 days for a lace wig to be produced, because it is created in such a delicate, precise way. So yeah, I just wanted to let you girls know like a little history or background on HerGivenHair and what their purpose is, because I feel like there's so many hair companies in today's world, but nobody is really moving with a purpose. And I definitely feel like HerGivenHair is out here trying to make a difference with women having protective hairstyles that look like their hair as well. So yeah, girl. So this is pretty much what the hair texture is looking like after I have applied a lot of heat. Now this hair is on the thicker side, but the hairline is so beautiful and the lace is really nice on this wig. But yeah, so the texture is really full. So honestly, if you want the texture to be a little bit more straighter, I would probably go in with the blow dryer and just add more heat because this is a lot of hair. I did not have any issues with the hair like poofing up, but it did require a good amount of heat to try to get this hair to be as smooth and flat as possible.
Trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road.
Okay, so I wanted to slow the video down and zoom in on this hairline. So remember I said earlier in the video that this wig really isn't plucked a whole lot, but honestly, I like the minimum plucking hairline on this wig because it just looks so super natural with this texture. I feel like if it was too plucked, then it wouldn't look natural because I mean like this is a lot of hair, so you definitely don't want to have the hairline like how I normally love my hairline to be, which is kind of on the thinner side. So the hairline on this wig is actually perfect.
Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to bone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
Okay, girl, first of all, this wig transformation is everything. This wig is so beautiful. I had no idea this wig was going to turn out like this, especially considering what the hairline was looking like at the beginning. But honestly, it makes it look even more natural. It is definitely giving a pressed out look, but having a lot of texture. I'm going to make sure I leave the link below in the description bar because this is definitely a wig that you need in your collection from HerGivenHair because it is giving pressed out hair vibes with a natural hairline. Y'all, this is it. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will of course see you girls in the next wig video. Bye.